Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. If you have seen the last video, we clearly discussed that lack of skill is the reason why 95% of the traders fail in stock market. Now you may have one doubt running in your mind, right? What is that skill? So in this video, we are going to discuss the most important skill that one should have to succeed in the stock markets. The three biggest enemies in the stock market, which are common for everyone, are hope, greed, and fear. I'm sure to say that if you can control these three emotions while trading, then you're on the way to succeed in the stock market. Trust me, guys, I'm not exaggerating. Now, let's see the importance of controlling these emotions with some scenarios. Okay, now let's see our first scenario. Assume that you bought a Reliance share expecting to increase by 100 rupees, but against your expectation, it fall by 100 rupees. Actually, at this point, we must exit, but most of us don't do that. Now our first emotion, hope, kicks in. We wait with hope to exit when it is up again or at least at cost price. But the price further fell by extra 200 rupees. That's the reason why hope is very dangerous emotion in the market, because you lost extra 200 rupees here due to hope. The next dangerous emotion is greed. Let's say if you are already in a targeted profitable position of 9500 rupees in Reliance share. Even though the target is done, most of us do not book profits. We wait for that extra 500 bucks to book round figure profit of 10,000. Later, market got reversed from there and we are now left with a profit of 4,500 rupees. So you should have understood by now why you should control greed in the markets. Now, let's discuss the third enemy, fear. Let's say your trades hit stop losses for 2 consecutive days. On the third day, you see your fantastic trading setup in your stock, and also assume that the company declared strong quarterly results at the same time. But due to fear of loss in the past 2 days, assume that you didn't take the trade. At the end of the session, the stock hit the upper circuit. Not taking a trade because of fear is main reason for missing out profits here. So, controlling these emotions while trading is the first and the most important skill we need to develop as a trader. Our mind should be very calm and we should not undergo any kind of emotions while trading. If you can develop this balanced mindset and start trading with right plan, then you will definitely become a successful trader. One should follow a trading plan to control all these emotions while trading. Now, what is a trading plan? To put it in a simple way, a trading plan is nothing but predefined rules and conditions to enter a trade, how to manage a trade after an entry, and when to exit. So, now let's discuss the three important elements in any trading plan and how is this trading plan can be helpful in overcoming three emotions we have discussed earlier. The first important element in a trading plan is entry point. Entry point is nothing but predefining a price level at which you should take an entry or conditions that should be there to take a trade is called entry point. The entry point may not be same for all traders. It may differ on basis of the technicals the person trades on. For example, some people take entry at EMA crossover while some other take entry on VWAP retracement. By predefining rules and conditions for an entry point, we get used to such kind of trades. So we don't get any fear while taking those trades. This is how an entry point helps in controlling the emotion of fear while taking a trade. We have to fix our exit point even before entering a trade. We should always be prepared for all kind of scenarios, like if our trade moves in our predicted direction, then at which target point we need to exit, or if it goes in opposite direction, then at how much loss we need to exit. Defining these exit points is the second important element in our trading plan. First exit point is target price. At which price level or at how much profits we need to exit when trade moves in our favorable direction is called target price. No matter what, we should always exit our trade at this target price level. But there is an exception to this. If the price is moving with a very good momentum in your predicted direction, you must trial these winning trades. Book some quantity at target price and trial the balance quantity to ride the winner as long as possible while securing minimum profits. This can help in controlling the emotion of greed after entering the trade. Stop loss price is the next important exit point. If price moves in adverse direction after taking a trade, it results in loss to us. We must be very clear about the amount of loss that we are ready to take in a trade. Predefining the stop loss price or stop loss amount will prevent us from losing all money in a bad trade that can happen at any time to anyone. This is the most important element in trading plan than any other element we discussed till now. Because stop loss helps in controlling the most dangerous emotion, hope. So why am I calling this hope as most dangerous? Let's see. For example, if you don't take a trade due to fear, then what will happen? You will just miss your potential profits. That's it, right? And what will happen if you don't exit a trade at target price due to greed? Your profits may get reduced to some extent. That's it. In these two scenarios, you are not losing any capital, right? But what if your trade moves in opposite direction and you continue to hold the trade with the hope of closing it when it moves in your way? Then you are risking to lose more capital in a single trade. There is high chance of blowing up your trading account with these kind of acts while trading. That is why hope is the most dangerous emotion than fear and greed. It can easily blow a trading account. So, if a trade hits your stop loss, you must exit. Just exit. Simple. Accept it and move on. There are a lot more opportunities in the market. The next important element in trading plan is position sizing and risk reward ratio. This is the core contributing factor to many traders' success. Before taking a trade, we should be very calculative about the maximum amount of risk that we are going to take and the amount of reward we are expecting for that risk. Calculating this risk reward ratio is the crucial element to trade in a disciplined manner. The biggest mistake many traders do is not taking quantity sizing according to their capital. Randomly taking 500, 1000, 2000 quantities will make the traders lose huge amounts in a single trade in adverse scenario. Position sizing is a concept we need to understand to avoid taking such random quantities. And one should have clear understanding of this. If you follow the risk reward and position sizing strictly, the chances of blowing up your trading account is very low. This is highly important topic that everyone should know in order to survive and succeed in the stock market. We will discuss about these concepts comprehensively in our next video. So don't miss that video by any chance. We will be discussing about how to calculate position sizing according to your capital, and we will also provide a template along with that. These are the most important elements that should be included in every trading plan to overcome the three biggest enemies in trading. There can be more elements in a trading plan based on the trading style of the person. Like a trader may define that I will not lose more than 1% of my capital in a day. This helps to avoid revenge trading. So guys, let's conclude our video here. Every video in this channel is interlinked. If you are watching this video randomly, try to watch previous videos in the channel. You will have better understanding on what we are discussing. If you like this content, encourage us to provide more quality content by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. We have provided TradeGreen's other social platform links in description below. You can follow us there to find breakout stocks and learn analysis. This is CA Vijay from TradeGreen, and we wish you all TradeGreen in your next trading session. Thanks for watching.